Hello, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Magnus from Sweden here. I did see a video the other day from Mr. Sensible showing how to make a perfect tinfoil hat. That hat shown in the video isn't good. It doesn't protect you from Ebola. It doesn't protect you from electromagnetic radiation, and it doesn't protect you against the terrible sucking vacuum of outer space, especially. So here a recipe for a tinfoil hat. Okay, let's start. You need tinfoil. It can be simple tinfoil. You have the mylar or your lar layered tinfoil. This can just be ripped apart. Okay, enough of that. You need paper, sturdy. Okay, that's fine. It'll work. You need, I think you call it a stapler. You need something to measure things with. This is bendy. Woohoo! It's bending. Yeah. You need a power plug. This is a Swedish power plug, not earth. Soldering, solder. It's called solder for, yeah. Some of these, I think you call them straws. Sugrör. Suction tubes in Swedish. You need scotch, a power drill, you need a battery. This is a 9-volt battery, and you need a pen. You need, damn it, hang on, stay tuned, I'll be back. Pair of scissors. Okay, we start with the paper. Yeah. Looks good. Very good. Okay. On to the stapler. Stapler. And, we need a hole. Okay. How far have we gone? Let's see. Okay. Good. Now it's time for. Okay. No. Some scotch. Okay. No. More cutting with the scissors. I would need some glue, but I can solder things together. Okay, so and then we do some more stapling here. Okay, and then we'll bend this part. Yeah, it's starting to look like something really good. Okay, and then the final, some more tinfoil and a final. Yeah! Look! Perfect! You can make it in 2 minutes. Yeah! And you see the nice decoration here. Could be blue and yellow these days. Okay, that's all, folks. Now you know how to make a perfect tinfoil hat. Chai żyje Ukraina. Bye!